Okay, good day guys, welcome back to this channel. So let's take a look at this USDJPY, right? If you take a look at this movement, we actually had a bullish move yesterday, today, which is for the 21. I told you guys that for today, USDJPY should actually be giving us a bullish move. We also did analysis the day before yesterday, which is for the 20. Which is for the 20. I told you guys that we will be having a drop on our USDJPY, which actually had the drop, right? And I told you guys that we would be expecting an 100 pips movement, but price gave us more than that movement. So now before you actually get started, you should click on that subscribe button if you have not subscribed. So now that this 21 price has given us a bullish move, for the next day, which is for the 22 that we are trying to analyze on, we should still expect that further bullish move, then our price should drop. I told you guys that once as we've gotten this drop, then we expect this USDJPY to give us that bullish move before we continue our bearish move, right? So is this bullish move over? Well, I don't think it is over. So let's see if it will be over the next day, which is for the 22 that we are trying to analyze on. So let's see if that USDJPY will be able to give us that bullish move to take out this level, which is a level of 133. I am watching out for that level of 133.600, right? So if eventually this USDJPY gets to a level of 133.600, then we should be expecting a drop on this USDJPY. Now, one of the reasons why I'm expecting such movement is that when you want to place your trade, you would want to ask yourself the trend for that movement, right? So we clearly can see that this is a downtrend movement, right? We can clearly see lower lows and the lower highs, right? So you see this to be as a lows, then here will be considered to be a pullback, then a new lows, and this should be a pullback. Then we can see a new lows, and we can consider here to be a pullback, right? So after that pullback, we would now be expecting a further bearish move on USD JPY. So let's see if this USD JPY will actually go bullish a little bit before we get that drop. Coupled with the fact that this price is still below our 10 period moving average, so this is still a bearish move. Now let's see what this 4-hour time frame is saying. So we are seeing this 4-hour time frame giving us that ice, right? So let's see, this ice should continue to 1.33.600 before we get to that drop. And you can also see that this ice is above our 10 period moving average. So maybe once that movement has been made, then we can now go ahead to get the drop for the day.